Welcome, in front of me is an LG K61 and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find the hotspot toggle, which looks like it's right here. So you want to hold that. This will take you to the settings where we can change something like passwords, which by default is set to random. So let's go to set up Wi-Fi hotspot. Tap on the password field, remove this one, and set our own new password. There we go. And it needs to have 8 characters in length. Then keep the security as it is. At the top with the Wi-Fi name, you can change it to something else if you want to. And this will basically be the name of the Wi-Fi that is visible in the list. Then if we go below, we have max users, so this is how many people can connect at once. So you can change it to, for instance, only one person if you want to. And once you're satisfied, you can tap on save. And from here, turn it on, like so. And you can see that it becomes turned on now. And you can also turn it on and off from the toggle right here, as you can see. So that is how you enable and set up the hotspot. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.